Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make squid and celery salad. It's very easy and healthy salad. Today I'm making it as a side, but you can make it as a main by increasing the amount of squid. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this squid and celery salad, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Celery, 2 to 3 squid, 5 gram dried wakame seaweed, 4 tablespoon mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, 2 tablespoon ponzu sauce, little bit of garlic paste, and some salt and pepper. Let's cook the squid first. So here I'm preparing some boiling water. Pour the legs and guts. And this one too. Cut the legs. And rinse it well. Nice and clean. And today I'm using it with the skin on to enjoy the pink color. Let's cut it into bite size. Like this. Let's cook it in the boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes. Looks good, so let's drain. And cool it down to room temperature. Now let's rehydrate wakame seaweed. You just need to put it in some cold water and leave it for 10 minutes. And wakame seaweed is small bits when it's dried, but when it's rehydrated, it expands. So make sure to prepare plenty of water. So let's just put it in here. Leave it for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's slice celery. Inside and outside. Snap it here outwards. And pull down. To remove this. Then make thin diagonal slices. For the top half, remove the leaves. And do the same. And the leaves, let's just cut it into small pieces. By now, squid should be room temperature and wakame seaweed is rehydrated. So let's put them all together. 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons ponzu sauce, and garlic paste in a large bowl, and mix it well. Put celery, seaweed as you squeeze it well. So take some, squeeze it really well. And into the bowl. Little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Give it a mix. And it's done. Let's serve it in the bowl here. And squid and celery salad is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。I love everything about the dish. The texture and the flavor. You can smell a hint of garlic and it's so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Today I'm having the salad as a side, so let's put it here. For the other side dish, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. Plain rice here and mushroom miso soup or any miso soup you like here. The salad is kind of creamy with the mayonnaise, so let's have something seasoned with soy sauce for the main dish. So how about chicken with ginger sauce? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!